Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a collective haul, and in today's video I would be sharing with you some of the makeup and skincare products that I bought in the last couple of months. I usually buy my beauty products from Nykaa or occasionally from Myntra, but this time whatever I will be showing you in this video, I haven't bought any of these from Nykaa or even Myntra. I mainly have Sugar Cosmetics products, some of their new launches. So I bought those from Sugar Cosmetics official website, and apart from that I do have some Urban Color and Shloka products, which is a Modi Care brand. I have talked about it earlier, so I would be sharing a few of them in this video, which I actually bought last month. All the products that I would be sharing with you in this video are present in this particular box, so I would just grab the products one at a time and would start showing it to you. So the first product that I have is NK Makeup's new eyeshadow palette, and this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. It is the Sugar Coat eyeshadow palette, and this palette is actually available in two different color options. The retail price of this palette is 1500 rupees, but it can easily be bought on discount, on actually a 50% discount from either Nykaa or from HOK Makeup. I personally bought my palette from HOK Makeup way before they were actually available on Nykaa, so it has been a while since I ordered this palette. I paid 750 rupees for this. This is actually my second palette. The first palette that I ordered came broken, so I had to return it to the website, and they gave me this particular brand new one in exchange. So I'll just quickly open it up and show it to you. So now the palette does look beautiful, like it does have some beautiful color options, but it doesn't have any mirror or anything. The complete lid is transparent from where you can actually see the colors. And yes, there are some matte colors, some glitters, and some foil colors can also be seen. So I would soon be doing a full review video on this particular palette. So if you're interested in seeing that, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. The next couple of products that I would be showing you are by the brand Shloka, and I actually have two products from them. I have actually already bought a few Shloka products in the past, and I have already shared that with you in a haul. If you haven't seen that haul, I would be linking that haul in the description box down below, and somewhere on the I button too. So I already have their face wash and their face scrub, and this time I ordered their sunscreen, which contains SPF 50, and their under eye cream. I was meaning to buy this under eye cream last month also, but it wasn't available, and so I didn't get that. So this time I bought their sunscreen and their under eye cream. Both the packaging is very like Shloka kind. I'll just open the under eye cream and even the sunscreen and show you how the actual product looks like. So yes, this is how the under eye cream looks like, and if I'll just open the sunscreen too, this is how the sunscreen looks like. All of the Shloka products look almost like the same. Their tube, their packaging is actually the same. Now the next two products that I have are from Urban Color, and they are sort of makeup related. The first product I have is their acetone free nail polish remover. I'm almost done with the current nail polish remover that I am using, and you would soon be able to see that in one of the empties video. So I ordered this particular one from Urban Color. I was actually meaning to buy a few nail paints from them, but the colors that I was interested in were not actually available. They were like sold out. So I just went ahead and bought this nail polish remover. The other makeup product that I have from Urban Color is actually their Ultimate Radiance Foundation. This is how the outer box and the actual product looks like. I am planning to do a full review video on this one, and actually I have already filmed that. So I don't know whether it would be up before this video or after this video, but I would be linking that in the description box down below. So if you're interested in knowing how this particular foundation works for me, then do not forget to check the description box. So now these were all the products that I bought from Modi Care and HOK Makeup. Now on to my Sugar Cosmetics product. So I ordered a few of their new launches, which includes their colorful eyeliner and a couple of lipsticks from their Superwoman collection. So all of them came beautifully packed in this little Sugar Cosmetics pouch. So I'll just open it and show you each one of them one by one. Okay, so I have two shades of the 24-hour lip lacquer, and the shades that I have are 04 Gracia and 07 Prodigy. I'm sorry, I'm not able to pronounce. I'll just mention the name of each one of them in the description box down below, and I'll just talk about them in numbers only. So this is how the outer packaging of these lip lacquers look like. I'll just quickly show you how these look from inside, and if I actually like the way they work, I might order the remaining colors from the collection and do a full swatch video of these lip lacquers. So if you are interested in watching the full swatch video, then do let me know in the comment section down below. I actually do like the formula of Sugar Cosmetic liquid lipsticks, so I would be very glad to do it for you guys. So like this is how both the colors look like. They are currently sealed, so I'll just open it up for you and swatch both the colors on the back of my hand. Okay, so while opening the outer plastic wrap of these lipsticks, I realized that the outer plastic wrap actually has the details about the manufacturer of this product, which is mentioned right here. Okay, so this is how both these colors look like. I'll just quickly swatch them for you guys. This is how shade number 07 looks like. I love the way this color looks, and this is how shade number 04 looks like. Even this is a very pretty color. I'm really happy about my color selection, so I would just try both of these one at a time on my lips, and if I would like the formula, then I might go for more colors from the collection. I actually honestly like the packaging also, but we'll talk about that in a separate video when I would be swatching I hope all the shades from the collection. Now the other products I have are their newly launched Bright Colors eyeliners. I don't think they're bright colors. They're actually like pastely sort of eyeliners, which are not very easily available. So I ordered 3 shades from the collection. The shades I have are 01, which is a pink eyeliner, 03, which is a lilac one, and 04, which is actually a yellow colored eyeliner. I love Sugar Cosmetics liquid eyeliners. The black one is the one which I have bought 3 to 4 times on repeat. So I'm really excited actually to try these. I'm having a very high hope from these. So I hope they will look as beautiful as I think they would. This is how the packaging of these eyeliners look like. I would have loved it a little more if the packaging would have been color coordinated, because selecting the required color amongst bunch of these, like I just have 3 of them and I cannot actually select the desired color without actually reading the name, which is actually written right here, but it is written in a very small font. So I would have loved it if these would have been color coordinated, but I'll just quickly swatch all the 3 colors for you guys. This is how the lilac one looks like. This is the yellow one, and the third one that I have is the pink eyeliner, which I have swatched right here for you guys. So yes, this is how all the Sugar Cosmetic products look like on the back of my hand. I already have 3 shades from these. Again, I would be trying them and would be creating eye looks using them, maybe on my Instagram or on my YouTube shorts. So if you are not following me on Instagram, then I would just leave my handle down here. So if you're interested in seeing how I use these products, then you should follow me on Instagram. The last but certainly not the least product that I have in this haul is this Sugar Cosmetics mini lipstick set. Now I haven't bought this lipstick set for myself. I am actually very close to hitting 1000 subscribers, and fingers crossed, I think I would be able to do it very soon. So I'm planning a giveaway once I hit my 1000 subscriber, and this would be one of the gifts that I would be giving to the giveaway winners. I already have a few more gifts planned, but this would be one of the gifts that I would be giving to the giveaway winners. This box basically contains 4 mini sugar lipsticks. I won't be showing you what colors I selected right now. That would be shown in the giveaway post. but yes, this is the last and the final product that I have in this haul. I hope you like today's haul. If there is something in this particular haul which you want me to swatch or review, then do let me know in the comment section down below. And also, if you like today's video and would like to watch more such hauls on my channel, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to my channel. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.